Hello people and welcome back. I know this video took a quite long time to come in and I am posting a video after a very long time, but there are some quite obvious reasons for that. Actually what happened is that this month I had to go to Hogwarts. Yeah, the same university from which Harry Potter passed out and learned his magic skills. Okay, why did I had to go there? The problem was that they had some server issues. Okay, now come on, magicians cannot fix everything by themselves, and that's why they needed someone who could fix it, and I was actually nominated to go there and gradually selected as well. So I went and fixed up the servers over there, and yeah, everything worked out to be pretty well. But the amazing thing is that they've gifted me something so that I can unbox here on my channel, since I told them that I run a YouTube channel. So they gave me a mysterious package to be unboxed, which I'll be unboxing soon. And moreover, I learned something new from them. Like, want to check out? Expelliarmus. Oh, wait, I'm learning, I'm sorry. Oh, by the way, they have, grown to be advanced. Now they no more use sticks, like those magic sticks. They no more use them, like, as you call them, wands. They don't use it more. They have gone stickless or like wireless or anything. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's try it one more time. Expelliarmus! Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just learning still. Okay, Yash, are you playing that music? Wait, is this part of the script? What, you aren't doing that? And from where did this music come in? Okay, whatever. Let's keep all this apart. Let's move on to the unboxing. This is Ashish Kamathi with my brother Yash. You're watching Technical Minutes, so let's get started. So this is the box. Let's get this unboxed. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. What is it? Oh, this looks like that fortune telling ball, like that was seen in the movie, wherein you can see the fortune of what happens in the future. So let's actually see what's inside this. How does it actually look like? Okay. Ooh. Now this looks something really cool. Let's get this thing plugged up. And whoa, this is indeed amazing. Whoa. I mean, this looks so cool. I mean, just look at it. I can already see the future of our channel crossing 100k subscribers. Oh, I can see myself unboxing this silver play button, and yeah, thanking all of you. This is indeed really cool, as you can see over here. Oh, you can even play with it. This is amazing. Okay, now jokes apart, what is this actually? This is a plasma ball. How does this work? Hey, wait, is that in the script? Oh, yes, it is. So it works basically as it was invented by Tesla. It works like this thing transmits a high frequency voltage AC current, and the stuff that is within it is plasma, through which it gets transmitted. Plasma is basically a source that is present in the entire universe, even more common than air, and then this is how it actually works. And this is basically invented by Tesla, one of the inventions by Tesla, and practically it looks really cool. I ordered it through Flipkart. I'll leave a link surely in the description. If you wish to buy, you can buy it from there. So as it was really cool, I thought why not unbox it on our channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that because I keep on bringing such cool videos to the channel. And yes, share it to all your friends, and please comment below and let me know which kind of videos do you like more so that we can have fun together. Thank you for watching.